Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jimenez and welcome to my brief video on the minimum requirements when it comes to discussion board posts. Now, the simplest way that I like to think of it is that every week I will have, on average, 2 discussion board posts, 2 threads, if you will, that I will post every single week. And these are usually based on our readings or potential videos and other resources that I will be sharing with you. So, the minimum requirement to start off is when you see my 2 posts, you should respond to each of my posts. So to start with, you already will have 1 response for one post, 1 response for the other. So already off the bat, there should be at least 2 replies from you. In addition to that, it's not just enough for you to reply to my post, but you should also be replying to your fellow colleagues. One of the questions I get often is, well, how many other people should I be responding to in the discussion board post? What's acceptable? I think the easiest way to think about this is that in addition to the 2 responses that you will have for my 2 posts, you should also respond, there we go, to at least 2 of your classmates, or at least respond to 2 other responses within threads. So basically what it comes down to is that when you reply to my 2 posts, and you're going to reply at least to 2 of your colleagues, what will happen is at minimum every single week you're going to end up with at least 4 posts. This is the minimum requirement when it comes to discussion board posts. There should be at least 4. Now if you go beyond that, that's great. If you are going under this, obviously that's a problem, because one of the ways that we learn is through our interactions with each other, with your peers and colleagues, as well as the discussions that are formed and the discourse that's formed through these discussion posts. So at minimum, there should be 4 posts per week. You're going to respond to my 2 posts, and then you're going to respond to 2 of your colleagues. You should not just reply to your own post, but reply to 2 other colleagues in your course. Again, pretty straightforward, I think. If you have any questions about discussion board posts, please check the syllabus or feel free to email me if you have any questions. Thanks again, everyone, and enjoy the rest of your day.